Unveiling the dynamic 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R. Brought to you by Bell Ford. Don't mind the dirt, this beast is fresh off its transport from Michigan. The Raptor R boasts a robust, supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine with an impressive output of 640 pound-feet of torque and a staggering 700 horsepower. This vehicle gallops with might. Conquering steep inclines is a breeze. These horses translate into a rapid 0 to 60 of only 3.6 seconds. The Fox live valve shocks represent the future of off-roading. Crafted with a tuning inspired by desert racing, these shocks are equipped with sensors that preemptively detect rough terrain, while the Recaro seating ensures a smooth, cloud-like off-road experience. And now what you've all been waiting for, the exhaust. The Raptor R showcases state-of-the-art real-time variable exhaust valves, allowing for a seamless transition between a hushed tone and an aggressive roar. If you're on the hunt for a new vehicle, your journey begins with a visit at Bell Ford.